To disable emails for participation in research surveys on Twitter using your PC, follow these straightforward steps. Begin by clicking on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage your account preferences. Within the Settings menu, look at T and click on Email Notifications. Look for the section related to updates from Twitter. In the Updates section, make sure to uncheck the box next to Participation in Twitter Research Surveys to stop receiving these specific email notifications. Once you have unchecked this option, click on Save Changes to confirm and apply your updated email notification settings. By following these steps, you can easily customize your email preferences on Twitter to better suit your needs and preferences. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this guide has been helpful in managing your email notifications effectively. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tutorials.